Imani Irotin ka aitegera korio na Irotini lui moriarito getom toroma ka adacharo bulengoro koi goi mumwa atupito ne president Jessica Alupo nyesabu kwenyak lue polo kitosa kori Irotini angeta kina swam kapaki na itubo kita ikesi.
We want to get the road which is fit for the amount of money that has been allocated to you to do the work. We don't expect you to take a long time in this road. When we know that the place is flat, that you are not going to cut a mountain like in other areas where you have to struggle to first cut a mountain. And I would like to encourage the contractor to use also the local community to do simple things which they can do on the road. These people you see here, some of them even have technical knowledge.
Eyata kitalupo ebe ekoria pugani Irotin kanu aitapatane jana kineno.
And that's why we are here today, to commission the works of one of the triggers of development or transformation.
Apugane siadawa tiakun ibilioni kanyango ni chinya kiuni kanu Abukokinia ekola soroto ngoni lot geto mabeari toroma ido engineer Emmanuel Latwina Masiko loeya ita inapeta nuero toka ngol ngesi abalebe ebeti kesa daunu ekarediope iswamaite road.
The time frame for the project is 1 year and we are counting from today. And our contractor is CME Enterprises Limited, is our own here from Katakwi, Pesos Abridges. So we expect him to do good work. The cost estimate is 9.3 billion. The project is 7 kilometers. A
road is not just decoration.
Alla karengare no koluko Katakwi kanudo erotongola dumune kolas.
Aske de somero la ilo jake da dex ne bako iloto. So erotole pedor bela ngara en anwisa kusa. Kwenye be jon ke di sokoni be polo chori mongin jake no town ne serotole ruchoi di rotin go belo ne tai go show. Sajina be pora tajokar kon la gwela na kena mana na ituna.
Nara rasi no me joka me yangaunte apola to bet nara kujo bitapa pana ilose erotolo nesle nyu no getom to nananga tina dia biriam.
This road has been bad. We have people from Abuanget when they want to come this side of Katakwi district where the district is. It was a tug of war, but I want to thank the government of Uganda.
Kedolodo etimulo odoketelo peta magoro abue minister chweru Kisumu na yauni periodini kanua isisyaun ara edolita sipokina poti aboy sitting in kwa elipitotori tunga.
Nyunibe idulet yo inaine sa merine port. Nyunibe sedenge mot inaine doka nesitakela chama kene mame polo noiko nyopora itolotesu.
Kanuka TV East Alfred Atwau for district aloko Katakwi.
Ne apukorio teteresi pedoreta eman.